Welcome back, guys, and in this video we are going to be setting up our Tradingview account. We all know that Tradingview is a platform where you can see all financial instruments in the world and where you can analyze them. So without no further delay, let's get started. So first of all, you have to log in your email. So now we are going to go to tradingview.com. Don't worry, I will leave a link below. So tradingview.com. So for now, we don't need to pay for any of their advanced services. We are going to use the basic plan, which is the free plan. As I said, there are other plans that require about $14 to $60 per month, depending on the one you want to choose. But for now, for beginners, all you need is the basic plan. So let's click on this, and then we want to sign up with Google. So I'm going to be signing up with my official email. And let's choose a name, Finance Bridge Academy. You can choose any name. Make sure it has some special characters just in case the name has been chosen by another person. So continue. So now this is my account, my official account. This will be my profile. You can edit it. You can edit your profile. You can upload pictures. You can put a signature, your location. You can attach it to your Twitter handle. So whenever you post something on this platform, it will reflect on your Twitter. Now that we've set up the account, I'm going to be showing you how to use it and how to set it up fully. So first of all, let's click on chat, right? This is what the platform looks like without any custom setup. So I'm going to be giving you my own exact setup in this video. So let's clear this up. You'll see a little X button here. Click it to remove all these coins. We do not need them. So we're going to be adding our own coins, but for now, I'm going to add just BTC USD. That's it. So on this watch list, you can add several other coins. So watch list is just a place where you can add some coins that you want to trade maybe in the nearest future, or you're just watching it closely. Maybe you want to enter a trade on that particular coin or whatnot. So now we're going to be adding other coins. So just click it. ETH, for example, that's Ethereum. Under this, you can see all. You can see stock, futures, CFDs, forex, cryptocurrency. All we are going to be doing here is just cryptocurrency. So let's click on cryptocurrency. So it will show you everything that has ETH and the exchanges. So now we have ETH. So we can click on ETH USD. You can see it has been added to our watch list. That's how to use watch list. Let's add one more. So XRP again. XRP dollar on Bitfinex, we can add that to our watch list. So it gives you the information of all the coins. Do you understand? You can drag it to the side to see the info very well. So we have BTC, the price of BTC, the change of BTC in 24 hours, and percentage change of BTC within 24 hours. So BTC has dropped $104 within the past 24 hours. Do you understand? And then it means it has dropped 0.9% within the past 24 hours. So that's all for watch list. So now we are going to be setting up our tools that we will use on a daily basis. So we are going to click on settings, chart properties. Click on it. Then we have body, borders, week. So if you are following me in your own environment, maybe you have two screens, you are watching me from one and you're setting up your Tradingview account on the other one. Make sure you do this the right way. So borders, I'm going to be clicking on black for borders. The third one, the third shade, make sure you do this correctly. So the third shade. For the weeks, the third shade too. The third shade. So all these are perfect. Leave all these ones as default settings. Then appearance, we don't want to see all these grid lines. It's just a form of distraction to me personally. So we take it to 0. So no more grid lines. Then the horizontal grid lines, take it to 0. Text, leave it on black. That's cool. Then the crosshair is also good. Then trading, we do not need anything here. Symbols, we've done symbols, and then just click on OK. Now you can see that the platform is looking different now. Oh, I forgot something. So here, appearance, you can change the scale lines to black. Yeah, scale lines to black. Change it to black. Yeah, so click on OK. For that particular section, we are good. So section 2, we are going to be adding some tools to the platform, the regular tools. So in the course, we already spoke about trend lines, right? We already spoke about trend lines, and trend lines are lines that follow trends. They also serve as support and resistance. How do we draw trend lines? We draw them from one swings to other swing levels. So now this is a trend line. If you click on this little arrow here, then you will see something like this. You have trend line, info line, trend angles. We're not going to be using all the tools here, but we're going to have to choose the one we use on a regular basis as our favorite tools. So as we are picking them, so this is add to favorite. You'll start seeing them on the screen, so you have easy access to them whenever you need them. So we're adding them. You can see it here, right? Then we have horizontal line. We are going to be needing horizontal line. We are going to be needing horizontal zone, and we're going to be needing parallel channel. Do you get it? So to the next one, so you click on this little arrow. We're going to be needing Fibonacci retracement tool, and then we're going to be needing trend-based Fibonacci retracement tool, which is the Fibonacci extension tool. We need that tool. So to the next one, click on the arrow again, and you can choose brush. Brush is just for if you want to illustrate something on your chart. So we are going to be needing the rectangle tool. So click on rectangle. We are going to be needing the polyline, and we are going to be needing the curve. So now come to this side, click on the arrow, click on text, and then you might be needing price label too. This price label shows you the price of a particular point. So once you click on that point, it shows you what the price level at that point is. So here, do we need anything here? We do not need anything here. Here, we are going to need the long position, the short position, the price range. So those are the things we are going to be needing on a regular basis. Now we have our favorite tools lined up. We have the trend line, the horizontal ray, parallel channel, Fibonacci retracement tool, Fib extension tool, brush, rectangle, the polyline, the curve, the text, the price label, the long position, the short position, and the price range. So I'm going to be showing you how to use every single tool. For example, we talked about trend line. So for a trend line, you click on it. These are the properties here. You can change, you can customize, you can choose blue, you can choose red. But for now, we are going to be choosing black. So when you get to where you want to draw it, the first swing, you click on that swing, then it shows you this, and then you can drag it out. Do you understand? And then wherever you want to drop it, you click on that region again, and then it drops. You can make it thicker. These are the properties. You can make it thicker if you want. You can make it thick. You can pick the biggest thickness. Then you can make it just dotted lines. Do you understand? Just walk around the platform, and then you get better day by day. So we have the horizontal line. This is the horizontal line. So horizontal line is used for support and resistance also. So I can use my horizontal line to signify this place as a support. Do you understand? Then I can also use it to signify this place as a resistance. It's basically just an horizontal line. I can also use it to draw my channel. So if I have a channel, horizontal channel, I can just pick it. Then so if price is moving in between here, so you can use it for that purpose also. Then we have horizontal ray. The difference between horizontal ray and horizontal line is when you draw horizontal line, it extends to both sides infinitely. Do you understand? So if you move forward, the lines are still there. If you move backwards, the lines are still there. So for horizontal ray, it only extends to the right side. It extends to the right side to the future levels. So when I click on it and then I need to draw an horizontal ray here, let's change it to blue. And then let's make it thicker so you can see it. This is a resistance. So it starts where you drop your point. So it starts from here where I dropped it. Do you understand? So infinitely to the right side, to the future price levels. So that's the difference. Horizontal line extends to both sides, while horizontal ray extends to only one side. So this is a resistance. You can also use it as a support here. This is a support. So that's all for horizontal line and horizontal ray. Let's clear this up. Then we have the channel, parallel channel. You can do the setting, pick the black. So this parallel channel is used to draw channels. So for example, so you pick your swing point for the channel, you drop it and then drag it down. This is what a parallel channel looks like. So we have the midpoint here, which is serving as support. We have the top range, which is serving as resistance, and we also have the lower range, which is serving as support. As we can see, price has been moving in between the channel. You can see price has been moving in within the channel. So what we're going to be looking for is, you can even take a short in this area and then you're targeting this midpoint, right? Or you can target the lower range. Do you understand? That's how you use a channel. You just want to create a channel where price is moving or is consolidating in. So if price breaks above this place, you are going to look for a retest and then long that thing, which is buy. Buy means long. So that's how a channel works. Let's clear this up again. We have Fibonacci retracement tool. In this Fibonacci retracement tool, we are going to be setting up some levels that I use personally. So for the Fibonacci tool, we are going to be using this range as an example, in between here as an example. Do you understand? So now there was a drop from this swing high to this swing low. And then we are looking for retracement because that's what Fibonacci retracement does. It wants to show you where we are going to retrace to before coming down, right? So now we are going to pick it from the swing high to the swing low. So let's click on Fibonacci retracement tool, pick it from the swing high down to the swing low. And then we are going to be picking our main region, which is the what? Which is the 618 Fibonacci level, which is around here. So you can see that was where we retraced to from here back to this place before coming down. Do you understand? So let's do some settings on Fibonacci. So click on the Fibonacci, drop it, and then click on settings. Those are the properties. So we are going to be using the 0 level, we are going to be using 1, we are going to be using 618, we are going to be using 382, we are going to be using 786. We are going to be unclicking all these ones. We do not need them. So we are going to be adding 2 more levels. So those levels are minus 0.27 and then minus 0.618. Do you understand? Those are the levels you're adding. You remove this trend line. We don't need the trend line. Then here, you are going to remove the background. Remove the background, unclick it, and then the levels, click percentage. And then the labels, put this one at the right, and then this one at the middle. I think that's all for Fibonacci retracement tool. Click OK. That's our Fibonacci retracement tool. Set, simple, and clean. Do you understand? So if you want to get retracement levels, use Fibonacci retracement tool. that will be all for Fibonacci retracement tool. Now for Fibonacci extension, the setting is a little different from Fibonacci retracement tool. So click on it and then settings. We need the 0, we need the 1, remove the 382, remove the 236. You need this, remove the 3.618, remove the 4.236, remove this, and then I think that will be all. That will be all. Okay, we need 1.23 or 1.27. I think that will be all. Remove the 786 and then remove the background. Price levels, change it to percentage. This, change it to right side and then middle. Okay, so that's Fib extension tool. So what does Fib extension, what does it do? For example, let's say we have an uptrend, and then we have a retracement. You know that the retracement here from year to year, you get it by using the Fibonacci retracement tool, which is you are drawing it from the swing low to the swing high. So let's say here is the 618. So we've gotten 618 level, which is the retracement of this trend. So now we are going to be needing the next target. We moved from year to year, then we retraced. So where will be the next target? Where will be the next uptrend target? That's where we're going to be needing the Fib extension tool. So for Fib extension tool, there are 3 points that you need to consider. So which is the swing low, then to the swing high, you drop it to the swing high, and then you take it back to the new swing low here, which is the higher low. So those are the 3 points. How do I use Fib extension target? My first target is always 618. So this area will be my first target, and then my second target will be 100%, right? 100% target is basically a one-to-one extension level. So this means is the distance between this low swing level to this high swing level. Then you apply that distance from this new low swing level to this place. So that same distance. So for example, let's measure it out. So from here, from this place to this place is basically will be the same thing from year to year. Can you see? So that's one-to-one extension target. So the distance between A to B will be the next distance between C to D. Do you understand? So we have A, B, C, D. But before you get to 100% target level, you must have taken some profit from 618 level. Do you understand? So for the 127 and the 128, that's for traders that want to be extra patient in the market based on what the market is showing them. So you can decide not to even take your profit at this 100%, because maybe you can see some momentum in the market and there's no point taking the profit yet when you know that the trend can still extend to these other levels. Do you understand? So you can be a little bit flexible with taking profits in the market. So that will be all for Fibonacci extension tool.